Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by pulling up your booking reference or e-ticket number and matching it to your government ID. This prevents boarding delays. Once done, open the airline app or website and enter the code. Choose the correct passenger if you booked multiple seats. Make sure to check flight times and baggage allowance now so you can add extras while prices are lower. If you need seat selection, pick it here. Selecting early often saves money and avoids last-minute reassignments. Next, manage your booking. Choose seats, add checked bags, and select meals as required. You do this because online choices are cheaper and guarantee availability. Once done, pay with your saved card or mobile wallet to speed processing. After payment, check in online and download the boarding pass to your phone. Save a screenshot or PDF as a backup. Make sure to sync passes with your phone wallet if supported. This gives offline access and avoids scanner issues at the gate. Finally, arrive at the airport with boarding pass and ID easily accessible. You'll speed through security and gate checks by having them ready. If the airline app won't display your pass, go to a self-service kiosk or the airline desk and use your booking reference to reprint it. One key troubleshooting tip: save screenshots, confirmation emails, and any chat logs. If issues arise, they prove payment and booking details quickly, letting agents resolve problems without long.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.